welcome to another video of the Corsa. So I'll be making a series on this Corsa of the mods I'll be doing, and today I am going to be fitting VXR mirrors onto this 5-door Corsa. And this is the VXR mirrors I brought. I painted them in black. Not the best, but later on I will use the spray gun and use the proper paint to spray them up properly. So let's see how they look. I know it will look rough, but you don't have that shiny finish. So let us fit them in and see how they look. First thing you need to do is to remove this cover here. So there'll be like three separate clips over here. So you have to dismount them and then pull the mirror out. Then I'll show you what's the next step. Remove the mirror because it'll be easier access. As you can see, there's one down there. You need to remove that clip. There's one, should be a couple of down there as well. So let's remove this cover. Remove the covers without breaking the clips, and that's how it looks. And I'll remove the wires from those previous mirrors. And there could be a bolt down there. You see, you remove that bolt, then remove the door card. And then you should disconnect it and pull the wire through out, and then take this mirror off. Then put the VXR mirror on it. It's a T40 bolt, but before I move the bolt, I'm going to take the door card off and disconnect the wire. So this is the wire we need to disconnect. And then once you disconnect it, you just pull it out from here. And the wire goes out from there, and you put the new mirrors in, it should come through here. Just like that, you just need to pull this part here forward. And then you just move this wire here. See, if you have a Corsa, I'm not sure if these fits. It's a 6-pin. Let me show you the VXR mirrors. And these are 6-pin as well, so they will fit any Corsa D models. And yeah, let's just crack on and remove this mirror. All mirrors off. Now need time to fit the Corsa VXR mirrors on it. VXR mirrors are in, and they look much better, but I definitely need to spray it color coded with the car. This is a gloss black I was painting with, and yeah, that will come soon. I'll be painting the mirrors, add a few bits to the car, and I've got a VXR bumper for this, for the rear, and it needs painting as well. I'll show you the VXR bumpers in the next video, or probably in the next couple of videos, and let's fit the other side and see how it looks.